दोस्त ससुरा डांस मारे। सो गाइस फाइनली आज लास्ट एपिसोड हो रहा है हमारा जापान सीरीज़ का, क्योंकि मैं हो चुका हूँ टायर्ड पूरा। मैं लगभग ये समझो कि 7वां दिन लास्ट है मेरा JR पास का, और एक दिन मैंने बीच में रेस्ट लिया था ओसाका में। तो 5 दिन में मैं इतना ज़्यादा भागा हूँ कि मेरे को बुखार हो गया था। कल को सो नहीं रहा हूँ, खा नहीं रहा हूँ टाइम से, बस भाग रहा हूँ। ये सिटी देखना है, वो सिटी देखना है, क्योंकि JR पास जितना हो सकता है यूटिलाइज़ करना पड़ता है। मैंने बहुत जम के यूटिलाइज़ किया। मैंने 7 दिन के JR पास में कम से कम 10 शिनकानसेन, 8 से 10 शिनकानसेन लिए हैं। वो यूज़फुल हो गया मेरा पूरा। जब तक मेरे मतलब उन 50,000 येन का JR पास लिया था, 1 लाख येन का मैं शिनकानसेन ले चुका हूँ अब तक। ऐसे करना होता है अगर आपको JR पास का फुल यूटिलाइज़ करना है। तो आज लास्ट डे, अभी ओसाका घूमूंगा थोड़ा सा। ओसाका आपको दिखाऊंगा कल्चरल। मैं पिछली बार भी दिखाया था, पर इस बार एक लोकल है मेरे साथ, तो और मज़ा आएगा। सर ओसाका वाइब्स एज ऑलवेज़ बड़ी पीसफुल और सूदिंग है कंपेरेटिवली। देखो आप, बड़ा शांति से शहर चल रहा है सब। कोई हो हल्ला, कोई भीड़, कोई घिचपिच नहीं है। और हमारे साथ हमारी फ्रेंड क्रिस्टी लास्ट ईयर हमको मिली थी। इंडियन खाना ठूसी थी, आज फिर इंडियन खाना ठूसने की बात कर रही है। यू आर अगेन टॉकिंग अबाउट ईटिंग इंडियन फूड।
Yes.
सो अभी हम जाएंगे दोतनबोरी, और आई वांट टू डू सम स्मॉल सोवेनियर शॉपिंग माय फॉर
Sure.
मे बी इफ इट्स नॉट एक्सपेंसिव। चल भाई, नो स्टिल ग्रीन। लाल बत्ती पे लोग शांति से खड़े रहते हैं, और यहीं पे रात को लोग भंड होके अनसेट क्रॉस करते हैं। यू नो यस्टरडे अ गाय वाज पीइंग इन द रिवर,
Oh.
a Japanese guy. I wanted to point him out, but I thought, nah, it's too late. What if they run behind me?
Just doing.
He was pee in the river.
Happy.
In the river, from the bridge.
A lot of
Pee.
people doing that.
Really?
Yeah.
And then why they point? But then leave it. Hey, they always have some events here.
No. Oh yeah. Very sound.
So guys, ओसाका में ना आपको ये दोतनबोरी स्ट्रीट का एंट्रेंस आ गया। यहाँ पे हमेशा आपको कुछ इवेंट्स चलते हुए मिल जाएंगे। तो यार दोतनबोरी स्ट्रीट ये आ गई। यहाँ पे हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ होती रहती हैं, डांस की, खाने की, मज़े की। दिस लुक्स लाइक बाली। Yeah, this is Bali. You have to, Christy, you can do that, okay? You can do that. You have to take a very good picture of me there. You can do that. Let's see what shit you did.
Good.
Christy is learning but not that good. तो यहाँ पे ही देखो, बड़ी स्पेशल चीज़ है खाने को ना। खाने के प्लास्टिक के मॉडल रखे रहते हैं कि ऐसा दिखेगा खाना। वाह। You know, I never saw plastic models of food anywhere in the world.
Really?
Yeah.
Only Japan.
They have plastic models of every kind of dishes. And I was playing with his face yesterday night, I remember. Faces. Yours is first. Show me. Hey, show me. Christy. I think your nose is first one.
And yours are where?
Oh, Mary, last one.
Okay.
Yeah, the big nose. Oh. But the third nose is so dirty, I don't want to say it. So bad. Hey, your brother.
Hi.
Hi. देखो भाई, प्लास्टिक के फूड। यू वांट सम प्लास्टिक्स? वाओ। चलो खा लो, पी लो, खाना खा लो। हैं, खाना खा लो। His shirt looks good, but his body did not fit in that. Too skinny. Shirt looks very good. There is one very important thing. When you go out with me, you should be prepared that someone can punch us.
This guy, I don't know him. You can punch him.
Yeah. और रोक लो मुंडिया। Food. So guys, Osaka is basically the kitchen capital of Japan. यहाँ से बहुत डिशेस निकली हैं, उभरी हैं। काफ़ी वाइब है यार, वाइब। देखो मज़ा आ रहा है, सब घूम रहे फिर रहे हैं। आंटी फ़ोटो निकाल रही है। सीरियस। आंटी लाइक इट। Oh, this is takoyaki?
Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm.
But it's a line here.
Did you try it? Not yet.
I not
Okay,
tried.
go. There's a lot of.
Another one. आगे।
A lot.
ये सब मंदिर की लाइन में लगे हैं। You know, in India also people stand like this in temple. Oh, his hairs. Nice, bro. It's fake or real? Fake. Ah.
Oh. Friendly.
Friendly, but he was drunk, so I said no. He said indirectly love you, so I said no. Wow, big crowd.
It's not that crowded.
No, but this much is
At
okay.
night, yeah, it's
This
like-
much is okay. If more than that is no good. I will never go here.
Why?
I lost a lot of money and never win. You know how to play this?
No, I don't like.
I was in Tokyo. I started playing. I spent 4,000.
Did you get
Nothing.
You won nothing?
I was like, I want to win this. It was just on the edge. I said, just let's one more time. And when I say my money finished, bro, let's go. बच्चा कहाँ जा रहा है ये?
This.
Indian?
I've been there. Yeah, I've been there.
Nah.
Like twice or something.
Okay, we'll come back maybe. यहाँ आके भी इंडियन थोड़ी खाऊंगा यार. Food is cheap here, not very expensive.
Yeah.
Oh भाई.
Mehenga.
काला हो जाऊंगा बस बिना सनस्क्रीन के यार. महंगा is expensive. Wow. Good vibes, huh? It's a big line. Why? Some special shop? Special shop?
No, it means
It's good. Takoyaki ना? भाई कितना लंबा लाइन लगाया है ऑक्टोपस खाने के लिए? Go. Sometimes I stop and ask people, hey, can you smile? I'll show you live how to make someone smile. Oh, big line. Why? Takoyaki? How can someone stand in line for takoyaki? Hi. Oh man, you are late. One more.
One more.
Okay. There. Yeah!
Thank you, man.
Bye bye. Photo bombing.
Did you get a bit?
No, I was just doing it for fun. Here?
There's no more seats.
Say again?
There's no more seats.
Smile, bro. Happy.
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 You happy?
Happy.
I cannot see that. Hey. Yeah.
Just buy and eat.
We can.
But I don't want to go in line with that.
Yeah, me too. But short line is okay.
There's no short line here. We find.
Bye bye. He said, go back to the line. Wow.
They're idiot.
Wow. Oh, this is the line. You cheated us. You came first.
We'll just get sauce mayonnaise. Can you?
Which one? Sauce and mayonnaise?
And this one.
No, my money.
No cheese. This one?
It's okay.
Okay.
No. Eat tomorrow. No, now.
Take away.
We can eat now also inside.
Yeah, we know. Inside?
You have space?
Space?
Inside there.
Okay.
You have place?
We go to
Waiting.
the
Okay. Take away.
Okay,
Oh. See, this is how they make.
And I'll buy some drinks in the convenience store. Okay?
You hold this first. Oh, why they say like this? In India also they keep on saying like this. Tikki, burger, chowmein.
What that mean? Teach me.
Like this.
What that mean?
Oh, tikki, burger, chowmein. Like chowmein, noodles, tikki.
Burger chowmein. Burger chowmein.
Tikki. Why are they saying like that? लड्डू शायद है लड्डू लग रहा है लड्डू ना लड्डू
Yeah.
it looks like लड्डू
But it's not sweet.
yeah
Thank you.
this
Okay. Starbucks is good.
तो गाइस कॉफी लेते हैं हाँ स्टारबक्स में आ गए दोस्तों व्हाइट मोका इज ओके दे हैव व्हाइट मोका
Yeah, they have.
दिस इज फ्री
It's joke. It's just joke.
This is free, right? No, she gave me.
What do you want?
I think
White
white mocha
mocha?
is okay.
The size? Do you want extra milk?
Extra what?
Milk. Do you want extra milk?
Maybe. Is it free?
Okay.
Is it free?
No, we have that. It's
Free.
It's okay.
Let me joke with her. I think she eat her nails.
Suika.
Please don't eat.
Can I check your
No, it's private. It's private.
Joking.
Okay.
Bro, this is very good.
Oh, thank you.
Can you give me?
Oh,
I'm joking.
yeah. Agita.
Really? Oh.
Camera.
Your phone.
Camera.
Yes, it's a vlogger. I know YouTuber.
No, yeah. Can you give me this, please?
Oh.
Can you give me this?
No money.
I give you money. Give me this.
Ikura. How much?
Maybe 2,000 yen.
Yes.
How much you buy this? Actually, this looks very good.
Oh.
How much you buy
How much?
this?
2万.
Nima.
Oh.
20,000 yen
Good. Yes.
for this.
Yes.
20,000 yen. 20,000. How much you pay for this?
いくらっていう2万って
20,000?
Oh, yes.
This?
Yes.
Really? You can take a flight to Vietnam in this price. Go and come back.
じゃあこれ打ったらベトナム GO
Okay. I am going Vietnam tomorrow.
あ、sure?
You go with me. Let's go. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
He's saying goodbye to her girlfriend.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Don't drop.
No straw? No straw?
You get there.
This is mine?
Yeah. White mocha and triple espresso.
Is it the best mocha you make ever in your life?
Of course.
Yes.
Really? For me?
Yes.
Thank you, bro.
Of course.
Thank you.
Oh, he got me. He's the first guy who played with me, you know. तो यार कॉफ़ी मिल गई है और कॉफ़ी पी के अब बकचोदी बहुत हो गई. Collagen, baby. Oh, it's very hot. Arigato gozaimasu. First. Ouch. So that, you know, he was the first guy who caught me in this handshake game. First ever. Like I play with them like shake, punch, and he lost first. And then he say, okay bro, let's shake again. And when I shake, and he just hit me the punch. खाना खजाना, the food treasure. क्या निकला है खाने खजाने में? Oh wow. Teriyaki.
No.
Takoyaki.
Takoyaki. These are the fish flakes.
हाँ.
This one, thin one.
मछली के फ्लेक्स तो भाई पहली बार मैं. Okay.
I was expecting a lot of sauce,
I
but
can feel the octopus legs inside.
you don't like octopus.
I'm not a big fan of seafood. Octopus के पकौड़े हैं भैया. Why they are selling it 650 for one? So guys, ये यहाँ पे एक फ्रेंचाइजी चलती है, डोंकी करके नाम है इसका. और यहाँ पे यू कैन बाय लॉट ऑफ गिफ्ट, सोवेनियर्स, लोकल थिंग्स. इसी चीज़ के लिए बनाई गई है. बेसिकली टूरिस्ट शॉपिंग का यहाँ पे ज़्यादा ट्रेंड रहता है.
It's heavy.
Why? It's women things.
Men and women.
Men also? Oh, this is not for me. This is not for me. Let's go there. Oh, plastic food. You can buy plastic food? Is it like fridge magnet? Wow.
But it's more expensive.
I just want something different. क्या क्या है यहाँ पे भाई? वाह.
No, that's not good. That's for.
Oh, this is for you? Me? You want me to buy this for my future wife? For my for my future wife.
You want?
But when she will come? In which janam?
Nahi pata.
नहीं पता. I don't know I will buy it or not, but I can play until I'm here. Right?
Yeah.
Bro, you look from Philippines. I say I can identify. From where? From which city?
Manila.
Manila. You are in the wrong section, Christy. This is for men's. Huh? Why this is in men's section? Why this is in men's section?
That's men. That's
This,
for men.
this for men?
Yeah.
No way.
Men.
No way. Fuck.
It's for men. What are you like?
Really?
Yeah.
This for men? कौन सा आदमी ये पहनता है?
This woman.
कौन सा आदमी ये पहनता है?
It's not for men.
जाली वाली चड्डी कौन सा आदमी
Ah,
पहनता
for
है?
women.
For women, but they all are men things. In between, why they put it? To make the men horny?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, this underwear looks very good actually. I can take a picture and buy this in China at cheaper price.
China.
They all are made in China at the end. Company is Japanese, of course. I know. Let's do a reality check. Can you hold it? Can you hold it? I'll take a picture and check on Chinese website now. Not exactly same, but similar. You see, it's similar.
How much?
500 yen. Hey, excuse me. Do you speak English?
Yeah.
Japanese?
No.
No, Japanese?
I'm Vietnamese.
Really? Where in Vietnam? I was in Vietnam many times. Everywhere. Yeah, I'm from north to south, everywhere in Vietnam.
I'm from Saigon.
Ho Chi Minh? I was coming from Vietnam and now going back to Vietnam. Working or traveling?
Traveling.
Really? For how long?
I stay here for 10 days already.
Alone, solo traveler?
Yeah.
That's very interesting. When are you going back?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I'm also, but I'm going Hanoi.
No, I don't like Hanoi.
Ho Chi Minh is fun.
Yeah. Good food. place
Good
to
food,
go,
yeah. What's your name?
Thi.
Thi.
Yeah.
Anna.
What's your name?
My name is Anand.
Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How old are you?
Gets.
No, Vietnam people all look like babies. Okay, maybe 25?
No, I'm 30.
30? That's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Really?
Yes.
Maybe I can catch your Instagram or something. If I come to Vietnam, I'll message you.
Okay.
Are you single?
No, I'm married.
No way.
Yes.
How many kids you have?
One.
Okay, this is for you. You can keep it.
Really? Thank you.
Let me grab your Instagram.
Okay. My husband go to game park, find some card game or Pokemon or something, you know.
Babies,
Yeah.
you like games?
Yeah.
I know this.
If you want to have a good food, text me.
I can ask you.
Yeah.
You know many things here?
Yeah.
I message myself, hello, let me add you.
Many followers.
Yeah, it's my passion.
Where is nail product?
Nail.
Nail.
Male, not
Nail
much.
skin product.
I don't know. Maybe that one. You see the face of men there in the section? Yeah. Thank you. Hello. I forgot your name again, sorry.
T.
He.
T-S-Y.
Thi. Lucky husband.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
वो टेडी बियर जो है ना वो अनपेड है. Excuse me. Sorry, why sorry? Why sorry?
A few moments later.
Hey, Thi. I was joking with you. This is not paid.
I know.
You know?
Yeah,
How do you know?
I just look the tag and I
Fuck.
like that you're not paid.
You're smart.
Yeah.
But I spend my energy to find it for you, you know? Is this good? Bye-bye. So guys, this was the vlog. मज़ा आया, फन था, लोकल घूमे, बच्चों की करी, मज़ा आया. करते हैं बाय. जापान सीरीज़ एंड. मिलेंगे किसी और नए कंट्री में, नई बकचोदी, नई इंटरेस्ट, नई कहानियों के साथ, नए एपिसोड के साथ. क्रिस्टी जी, थैंक यू क्रिस्टी जी फॉर शोइंग मी अराउंड. कम टू इंडिया वन डे.
Of course.
इंडिया घुमाएंगे इनको भाई. राजस्थान घुमाएंगे आपको. राजस्थान, मसूरी
Masuri.
मसूरी उसको मसूरी पता नहीं किसने बता दिया.
Kerala.
Kerala is beautiful. So guys, see you. Bye bye. Take care.